That's it. Welcome to NTMLB 2495. How are you? What's going on? We're going to find out who wins the White Sox. We are removing the White Sox from eligibility because Dow, as everybody knows, they cannot win themselves. So what we're going to do is put that exactly where you picked up your spots. But first we're going to randomize this, removing the White Sox. Whoever's on top gets it. Good luck all. 1, 5 spins, whoever's on top gets it. 2, 3, 4, and 5. Congratulations to the Rockies, Colorado. 5 times. Rockies are on top. That's it. Bob is the cleaner. Rockies go to David McAlpine, which is just the mountain version of Dave Mac. You like that? He's gone hard at this break as well, so congrats. Let's go. Can Cherry do an NBA subscription box each month? Ask Mojo. It's always in the book, isn't it? It's always thought about.
Yeah.
Here we go. Quiet balls upon the court.
No.
Oh, jeez. I don't know what that was.
I'm coming to watch like.
You got a good feeling?
Yeah.
Oh, Jesus. It's...
Don't let people see.
Oh, Redemption on the bottom. Booklet Redemption. Here we go. Up first for Oakland to 99, Matt Chapman. Wow, I can't remember the last Booklet Redemption I saw. This could be big. 20 of 25, Jose Altuve.
Houston. There it is.
Magda can see. What? There's a redemption, you silly bastard. Roberto Alomar, 94.99 for Cleveland. Eyes. Jesus. Mickey Mantle. Wow, 8 of 10. That's cool. Fantasy camp used. That's cool.
Fantasy camp.
So, I don't know what that actually means, but... I think it's something that he wore when he trained people or something. I don't know.
At the fantasy camp.
Yeah. For Houston, 10 of 10. That's very nice. Framber Valdez. Jeez. That is very nice. Houston have already got 2 cards. And here comes 3 to 99, Miles Straw.
Aussie in the straw. But
Yeah.
a different one.
Different straw. That's very nice. Nomar Mazara for the Texas Rangers, 11 to 99. Who got Texas? Andrew O'Neill. And this is very nice. 1 of 10 shadow box signatures of Ronald Acuna Jr. for the Atlanta Braves. That's a beautiful card. Who picked up Atlanta? Liam McWhinney. That's a nice card. Congratulations, Elmac. And then the final one. What do we got here? Rookie signature jumbo material booklet. Card 7. The Senzu Bean, Nick Senzel. We're going to have to Google it, even though I'm pretty confident. Oh, wow. Really? Guess which team, Dale?
It's not Houston, is it, mate?
It's not.
Oh.
It's the Cincinnati Reds. The last team to go.
Oh.
Congratulations, Hipper. Expires on the 25th of March, so that'll get out to you and hopefully land in your pretty paws by then. Congratulations. That is NTMOB. Big old